This here is a Fleischmann V200. It is a, as you can see, a German locomotive, and it's die cast. It's made out of metal. So I picked this up. I saw it on eBay. It was dirt cheap. I think it wasn't even $20. And so I've tried one other. It was a Lima Deltic. It was kind of fun. I thought, well, I'm going to give this a try. So I finally figured out how to get the shell off. You take out one screw in the bottom, and then you got to take out there are little handrails next to the doors on the dual ends of the cab, right here. If you pull those out, then the shell comes off. It's got this cool lighting system in it. Okay, what this does is on the front, they're like ditch lights. And they light up from I think there's a light bulb in here that just goes to these two pieces of plastic and they light up. That's pretty neat. I kind of like that. If it is what I think it is, I may fabricate some of those for some other purposes. Then it's got this thing here, some kind of it's a little PC board. Well, it's a little board where they've got collect the power to and then send it to the lights. The lights in front and back. The windows are flexible. There's some kind of plastic. These front ones are the same. Super dirty. And then we've got this. I have not encountered this motor before, but it looks interesting. I don't know if I could remotor this or not with something else. It does function, so maybe it won't be necessary. Maybe this thing will just do this to make it cool and operational. And then I'm going to try to figure out how to put Katy couplers on it. Just because. Because I'm not making this to sit on a shelf. If I have to do this, then I'm going to use it. And then we got to decide on a paint scheme. So, I'm still on the red thing. I'm thinking red. So I'm thinking is it's got a lot of details that are like chromed. So I'll re-chrome them. I'm thinking red here, but my red. Maybe up here. But it's got to be something contrasting. These grills are going to be darkened. And the windows have chrome. So I don't know. I don't even have to mask this. The separation is so strong that I can just paint that with a brush. Don't even have to put a mask on. Top is going to be silver, as usual, so that the details will stand out when they're outlined. But as for this part here, I got to think of something that goes nicely with it. You know what would look cool right there? Is like a cream color, like parchment. That, I think that's where we're going to go with this. We'll put parchment there. That could be nice. And then the bottom is going to be that camouflage brown. That way the whole thing will be warm. It'll go brown, red, cream, and then our kind of silver top. And then we'll outline our details. Yep. I think that's what we're going to do. We're going to paint this today, I think. If this is die cast, that paint ought to come off real quick in the ultrasonic. We'll find out in a minute.